Yes everybody, what is happening? As I said in the most of you that might watch the previous video, we was going to do a couple of things today, so this is part 2. So this it's the same day, it's probably just released a couple of days after. This is weird, this like creating a video one day and posting it like the next day. It's weird. Normally I'd just like do one and then post it on the night, whereas at the moment it seems like I'm just trying to get a couple out so then I can relax at night and just edit away and then create. So what we're doing today, guys, is speakers in the door cards, which are just there. I did say that if I get 100 likes on the video, then I would get them and install them. So I've done one side just to like trial and error it, just to see how we get on. And it's not too difficult, to be fair. I've never worked with like wiring and stuff like that, so it should be quite simple. Would you rather me next time just actually go and attack it and like literally video everything that happens? So if it goes wrong or it goes right, video it, or would you rather see it done right first time? Comment down below, let me know what you think. Let's get on with it and I'll show you how to take the door card off and how to fit some new speakers. But first, disconnect the battery. So firstly what you're going to want to do is go to the battery, disconnect the battery, so let's do it. Take that one off and disconnect it. Right then, so what I'm going to do is, wow, this wind. I'm glad I've got that microphone thing now, because before it blocked and now it's absolutely pucker. So what I'm going to do is show you everything you need to remove first to get, then you can get to all the screws, because I was unscrewing stuff, then I was like on the door, and then the door casing wouldn't come off, and that was because there were screws still in the door. So let me show you. So firstly what you're going to want to do, one, little baby, put this somewhere safe. And then two, there is one here as well, so there we go. So that is all the screws. Well, this isn't all the screws, but they're the hidden screws. One there, two there, and then I'll show you where the rest are. Right then, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and show you where all the screws are, so you actually know yourself, rather than pulling it off like I've done in the past and I forgot. So where we're at is, so side of the door, you've got your first trim there, so you've got one there, underneath you've got one there and one just over there, and then you've got one in there, then one in there. So what I'll do, I'll loosen all them off and then we'll get to pulling the door off. So now that these are off, I should be able to give it a quick pull. So if you think it's going to snap, it's just because the clips are in, but they will come out. So there we go. Just unpin the top, because it will pop out like so. Right, push the part back in. Right. This is where you need like a trim tool or something. So look, if you look down there, it's just one connected still. Pull that out now, it should come straight out. There we go, that one down there. So what you're going to want to do, you've got some connective block, so you're going to want to hook your door through. This is basically just for the handle, so when you pull the handle, this moves. So you're going to want to disconnect that. There's a little connector there, disconnect that. One just there, and then the door will come away freely. So with like regards to the top one, all you basically do when it's plugged in, just get a flathead, push the flathead on that, which will compress, and then that will pull out. And then on this little baby, that will be like engaged to lock. So all you do is get that. Imagine that's plugged into the unit there. Just pull that out. As you do that, it will open it out. So that is how you release the door. Ta-da! Right then, so here we got the tweeter, which is just there. You just give that a nice little unplug. There we go. Happy days. Don't need that. That one there, that one there, that one there. Undo that, take that out, disconnect that. So literally all it is the case of just unplugging them. They literally just pull out like so, and that's that. Right then guys, so here we are, the speakers. I've got some Pioneer ones. It says the 300 watt, the max output. I've been told that they're not actually much better unless you upgrade the head unit, so who knows, we might have to upgrade the head unit, get a cheeky sub, we'll see. So these are the ones I've got. I'll link them in the description for any of you that want the same ones. I was told that you can get plug and play ones so that they actually just plug straight in, so you haven't got a cut, but unfortunately for these ones you have to cut the wires and stuff, so it's a bit more difficult. So anyway, let's do it. So here you go. Here is one lovely speaker, so put that down there. Then here is all the annoying wiring, so let's work out what does what and let's do it. So basically what I'm doing, I'm going to go off what the box says. So you've got a very, very long wire. So if you look, there's like a junction box there at the top. There's your like females to male, and there is the tweeter. So I'm just going to connect the tweeters up. There's only like one way they'll go because like it's male, female, so that is that. Right then guys, let's bring you in a bit. It's a bit difficult. So basically you've got a fat and a thin one, and then same on the head unit there, you've got a fat and a thin one. So just a case of just big one and big one, little one and little one, and then we've got to like cut the actual cable on the car. So let's bloody do it, mate. That is done guys. Put obviously the fat and thin, and then obviously we've got these two. So we got one's like a negative with a little grey running through it, and then one's like solid black. So we'll do the same on that. One's yellow and there's another one with yellow and a bit of brown. So I'm just going to do the black and the grey with the yellow and the brown, and then hopefully it works. So what we'll do, cut it, and then I'll pull some cable off, just connect them together, and then just try it, see how that goes. But hopefully we can get it done in one. So basically, if you've lost me, all I've done is literally got the strippers. I've put it on the end of the cable, like so. Let's have a look, get on it. Let's try and zoom in on that bad boy. So I've got the strippers on that, and just strip two ends off, just so you can, just so I can kind of like mock these up. Then I can like add them onto them, connect the battery, and then just see if it actually works. So hopefully we can do it. Sorry about this, it's just very awkward because I've got like cameras, tools, everything. So, and because I'm doing it on like the road, it's very difficult because I've got tools, camera, and then I'm trying to film it and stuff. So hopefully you still enjoy what I do, and that I try and do videos. So thanks anyway for watching, man. We're still going. So what I'm literally doing now is trying to make connections. I'm no professional at putting on these spades and that, so just popping them through there like so, crimping them up, and then I'm just crimping them like so. that's on there like that. So that is the two that I've got, and then on the other cable like so, I'm just going to put the female ones on, the male ones, so let's do it. Right then, so what I've done, I know you won't look at that and think wow, what is the best way to put on the connectors if anyone can help me? I've just got a crimping tool at the moment. I crimp them. I see some people do they melt the edges and then squeeze them down. If anyone could help me on that, I'd massively appreciate that. So I'll put like the negative on the negative, positive on positive. I'm going to connect the battery up and see if it works. Right then, so happy days, it actually works. It worked first time. I'm guessing just by the fact that one was solid and one wasn't, I've just connected like exactly the same up. As I say, like, I'm not a professional, and that is where with your help and your comments can help me and help obviously other people that are asking the same question. So if you can definitely give me some advice on better ways to do the connectors, because that, I don't think that's right at all, but it works. It's all secured as a circuit, as a connection. So I would show you some music, but I'll get done for copyright, so I'll just try it now. Ready? Nah, don't want to get done. Yeah, all works. So what I'm going to do is I'll put the base plate on and then it's connected all up. Right then, so how it works is you have to screw this onto the door, and then there's little holes that you put the screws in for the speaker. So that's what I'm going to do now. Just put them in, screw that up, and then I'll screw the speaker on like that. So let's do it. So that's pretty much it really. I've connected it up. They give you a hell of a lot of wire for some reason, so I've like wrapped it around it a couple of times, but look how long it is, man. It's literally like so long. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it really. It all works. I'm just gonna get obviously the mold, slot that in like so. Slot it in there more than anything. Slot it in there, run that down there, and then follow the thing. Then pretty much connect the door back up. Put that trim on. So basically all you got to do now is obviously like wedge your foot up against it, just so it's at like door card level. Connect everything back up. So you've only got like one, two. You've got two electrical connections, and then obviously you've got that, so you've just got to lock it back in the pin, otherwise your handle won't work. So it's a bit difficult to try and show you. I haven't got the blessing of a second camera person here, so I'm just winging it on my own, so you can appreciate that. Yeah, that's it, get that on, and then I think we are done. Right then, so I'll do my absolute best to show you. So I'll put the connection back on there, which is just there. I've connected that one back up, and obviously the big boy, which is just under there, which basically works for that. That's done as well, and then all it is the case of just lining these up. I've got to take that one out because that's broke, but you can replace them. Obviously one there, and then there's going to be a couple there. Obviously line them up with the holes before you bang them on. So I don't know how well you can see that, but that, and then just smash it in when it's located. So you get it located, also just make sure you can see where your pin's going before you smash it in. There is a little metal lip, so if I see them, the black thing there is a metal clip. All you gotta do is just literally line them up onto there, then put it down like so. I'll try and show you one. Put it on so good now, it won't come off. But there is little metal retainers, so there'll probably be one there, one there, one there, one there, and one there. So just make sure you slot it on as you go across. And now, obviously, I've smacked all the sides on, and that side. But if I look, there is a hole exactly there, so it's all lined up, and then one there, all lined up. So now all I got to do is put the screws in, put it on. Happy days. Right then, so we're on our last couple of pieces. To be fair, we've only got this trim to put on. and then this little bit to clip in, and then we're done. Right then guys, so I'm actually happy with that. I've done 2 videos, not 1, 2. So now I can at least steady myself, so I'll get one up tonight hopefully. And then we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's it. See, now I'm doing videos, love it. So I've done the steering wheel one, messing about with that, and done the door cards. Anything else you'd like to see on the Astra, comment down below and let me know what you want to see. There's plenty more things that I could even do. If anyone's out there that's got an Astra XR, what is the most power you can run without forging it? Say if I got a hybrid turbo, that's say like 320 brake, 350 brake, would I need to forge the engine? What is the maximum brake horsepower for the engine? If anyone can let me know, I'd appreciate that. Yep. If you noticed anything I did wrong or that wasn't too good, comment, let me know. I want to know if I'm doing anything wrong that I could improve on. Let's smash it guys, let's see if we can get 300 likes. If I don't do begging, I like to have a little games and see if I can actually achieve a target. So if we can get 300 likes on this video, it would be unreal guys. So thank you very much. On to the next one. Here's to a heavy packed week of videos. Let's do it.